Good day. Today I will share my personal philosophy in life, management, and education, and how they connect to major educational philosophies. In life, I strongly believe in following my heart and conscience whenever I make decisions. I do not easily allow others to influence my choices because I believe that each person is responsible for their own actions. When I make a promise, I make sure to fulfill it no matter what the cost. For me, integrity is non negotiable. Even if others see this as a weakness and take advantage of it, I still choose to honor my word. This reflects existentialism because I believe in personal responsibility, authenticity, and making choices based on my own values. At the same time, it connects with Beryllianism because I uphold timeless virtues such as honor, commitment, and moral integrity. In management, my philosophy is grounded in discipline and responsibility. When my superior gives an order, I ensure that to complete it on time, and sometimes I act immediately to make sure that tasks are accomplished efficiently. I believe that leadership requires reliability, structure, and accountability. This aligns with essentialism because it emphasizes co-responsibilities, discipline, and high standards. It also connects with behavioralism because performance, action, and observable results are important in my work approach. In education, I learn best through visual instruction. I understand concepts more easily when I see images, diagrams, or demonstration. I struggle when learning is purely based on listening. I prefer interactive and engaging methods that help me build understanding. This reflects constructivism, where learners active construct knowledge through meaningful experiences. It also relates to pragmatism, which supports learning by doing rather than passive listening. In conclusion, my philosophy combines existentialism in life, essentialism, and behaviorism in management, and constructivism and progressivism in education. So this philosophy shape how I make decisions, how I lead, and how I learn. Thank you.